Hey y'all, what's up? It's Princess CEO of Love. It's coming up. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Princess CEO of LovePrincessShop.com, and today you guys are tuning into another video. Please do not mind my background. Yeah, don't. It's a little messy back there. But anyways, I just finished practicing my makeup. Y'all know I like to come on here when I practice my makeup and I feel like I did good. So I just finished practicing my makeup and I did my hair earlier. I didn't really glue this down. I actually got to be sprayed this down. So yeah, and I just tried to do myself a little swoop, girl. But anyways, it's almost time for my restock. Well, not really like restock, but for me to upload some new arrivals on the site and also restock certain items that I had on the site. So I got my shipment in today. It is about like 2 o'clock in the morning, first of all. So technically I got my shipment on Wednesday and it is technically Thursday, and I'm just doing stuff. So I just wanted to come on here and show y'all some stuff, and yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay, so first up, you guys, I'm going to be showing you the oh yeah, like I said, I did my makeup. I don't know how to act, y'all. I'm getting better at it. But anyways, all right, so first we're going to be starting with our lashes. This box you can find on Amazon. I got this, I think I ordered 50 boxes. Yeah, I think I've ordered 50 boxes. I ordered them like a while ago. Anyways, so I'm gonna be using them for wholesale orders. So right now I do have lashes just sitting in them just to see how I'm gonna set it up. So if you guys are looking to start a lash business, I will be your vendor. We have some cute styles and they're all super dramatic. We'll be adding some more different type of styles in, but for right now these are the styles we have. So we have about 6 styles and I'm gonna be showcasing them to you all. So first, this is our style NC17. It'll be some dramatic cute little lashes, and it has color on the, what do you call these, the wing or the corners? No, this would be the the wing. So there's pink, like, you know, lash hairs on the side. And again, this is style NC17. You can find this on the site. All right, so this is our style DL94. And they look, well, I'm gonna take them out. So this is DL94. Okay, and you guys don't mind my nails. I was practicing my makeup and doing my hair. Our next style is gonna be DL102. Those. And again, we have about 6 different styles. Super beginner friendly. If like I said, if you don't have enough money, you kind of just don't know where to start, you don't want to jump into something like too big or get super confused and stuff like that, you should definitely consider shopping with us. Super small wholesale is not too much going on that makes you feel like you have to order so much different stuff. This is our style DL90. And all of these are super dramatic. We're gonna increase our wholesale, well, not increase, but add different styles. We're not gonna do all 25 mm because not everyone you know, likes those styles, but these are the styles that's more popular right now. So some color lashes. This is the style NC05. CO5, just some color lashes with some blue strips on the end, well, on the wing. And then this is the same style. Well, this is NC17, but it's almost the same style, it's just pink. And then lastly, this would be DL86 if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I didn't show this already, but this is DL86. You can definitely see all of these lash styles on the website, by the way. All right, so as I was stating, you guys can definitely see all of these lash styles on the website, by the way, if you didn't really get like a good view of them on this video. So make sure you go to www.loveprincessshop.com and let's get right into the new arrivals for clothing. Y'all, it is 2:27 in the morning. Like, I'm tired. I should not be up doing this right now, but I am. All right, so as you guys can see in this order, I've really told my vendor that I wanted like lots of bathing suits because it's spring break. It's a lot of stuff coming up. You have Miami boys. You have so much stuff coming up in Florida and in other states. It's about to be summer, so I was like, I need to get a lot of bathing suits, cute bathing suits. So that's what's mainly in this order here. So let me go ahead and show you guys some of the stuff. And also got like some 2-piece sets and stuff like that. So let's get right into the haul. And what is it? Okay, this is clearly a 3-piece set. Right. Okay, and it has some padding in it. And I like to do quality check when my stuff come in, cause girl, I've experienced some stuff. But this is really cute, and it has some padding in it. So, you know, boost the girlies up. For the girls that don't really got them, boost them up. This is really cute, and I like the, oh, okay, it's this way. Is this way? Yeah. So this is super cute. Okay, and let's see, what is this? Did it come like with a skirt, or what is it? Okay, this is like one of those skirts that you tie on the side. Right. Okay, so this is like one of the skirts that you just, you know, want to go ahead and tie on the side of you. And then it has a bottom. So this is the bottom. Really cute, and it comes up like high. So that's super cute. Really cute. Alright, so that's not bad. That was cute. And it gets shipped with this like protection, this hygiene protection. And I feel like that's really good because it just shows, like, you know, sanitization and stuff. The next one is gonna be this medium. I don't know what it is. I honestly be forgetting what I ordered because sometimes it takes really long. Okay, this one is more meshy. And what is it exactly? Is it a dress? Okay, it's a dress. This is a really big medium. This is raw and uncut. This is a big medium. This is like a large. Okay, but it's a medium. And this is the bottoms. And this is the top. The top is really small. Well, I mean, I guess you can take the padding out because the padding gives it like a small body, but you can take the padding out. Let's compare the top to the small top in this one. Like, how big of a difference is it? Doesn't it look like a small top? 'Cause this is like, is it really big of a difference for y'all? That's what we gotta do, because I gotta call them and I gotta let them know. But with me, I definitely just, I'm super honest, like when it comes to the description. Like, I will put in the description if something runs big, if it runs small, if you're a person with a little top and a wide bottom, this bathing suit will be for you. Okay, I think I'm going to show you guys 4 swimwear pieces, and then that'll be it for the swimwear. Alright, so this is another bathing suit. Super cute. It has like these rings on the bottom, well, on the sides. Really cute. And then there is, what is this? Oh, this is the skirt. I remember this. This is so cute. All right, so this is the skirt, and there's rings on the side. This is the top, and it also has rings on the top as well. The bathing suit material is super good. It's actual bathing suit material, which we know Chinese vendors, they're good at that for sure. They're super good at that. So this is cute. I really like this. All right, so this is cute. All right, so I'm gonna show one more bathing suit piece, and then we would move on to something else. And then after that, I'm going to bed. You guys gotta catch me in another video. I'm gonna show this because I thought this was super cute. So let's show you guys. So this is a long, this gives me like Mexico. Wait, is this the one I was talking about? I don't know if this is the one. No, this can't be the one. Okay, this not the one. Hold on. It's probably the other one. It was like a long one and I liked it. And I'm ready to put this hair up. Hold on. Okay. That hair was starting to get poofy and just like pissing me off. Okay, yeah. So as where we left off at. Okay, I was showing y'all the bathing suits, and I was really trying to show y'all a particular one, but I can't find it. And again, I'm not showing y'all everything because you will have to follow me on Instagram, and you also need to go to the site. So I'm not gonna show you everything, but I really wanted to show that on camera, but I just can't find the one that I'm talking about. So we'll move on, and if I come across it, I'll put it in the camera. These bathing suits padded up. This is cute. This colorful one, this is super cute. Okay. It's like color block bathing suit is so cute. Alright, okay, I'm serious. I'm not showing them my bathing suits. If I find that other bathing suit, I'm gonna show y'all that one because I think that is super cute, and that's like real vacation vibes. And I'm sleepy. Okay, no more bathing suits. We don't want to see that. What's this? Okay, so this is one of those cute like skim type of dresses. I thought that this was super cute to add to the site. So this is it in gray. Really cute. Okay, I'll probably show y'all two more from the clothing pieces, and then that'll be it. Right, this bodysuit, this like slip on, I thought was so cute and like dope and vintage. I just thought it was really cute. Like, let me show y'all what to pair it with. So I just thought that this would be so cute for my model to model, like this together with like some black shades. Oh, I gotta show y'all some shades too that came in. I'm gonna go get those, but I just thought this was really cute. So I'm gonna make sure my model it like this, and then we'll add our little twist to it. But yeah, I thought that was really cute. So I'm gonna show you guys one more from the clothing pieces, and then one more from the clothing pieces, and then we will move on to the shades, and then I have to go to sleep, guys. I really have to go to sleep. So the girls live for the whole lot of body dress. I swear to God, the girls live for this. Like, the girls really live for this. So this is a restock. The girls, oh my God, they ate this up, and my best friend ate it up too. I'm gonna put her in the I'm gonna put her in the video. I'm gonna put a picture somewhere around here so y'all can see my bestie wearing this. It was so cute. But that's a major restock because they was about to get me back there. Alright, so here's a 2-piece and a biscuit, and then we'll be done. Okay? Alright. So the top is like a off brown. This is super cute. I love the quality. I love the elastic band. Like, it's so cute. And it has like a little saying, it just says handmade right there. But this is a really cute set, and it comes with these cute little shorts, and it just says handmade right here too. The strings on the shorts matches the color brown for the top. And it just says handmade right here, just stitch right here, and it's so cute. It's like some little shorts. Summertime, honey, get into it. And I'm gonna show you another color. All right, so here's the cream, and then this is the bottoms. All right, so I'm gonna go and get the shades really quick so I can show y'all the shades, and then we're gonna close the video out. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing some of my new arrivals and some items that I'm going to be restocking, and also introducing my wholesale, because I don't think I ever introduced wholesale to my YouTube. Anyways, without further ado, I don't want to keep you guys any longer. I'm super tired, and it is 2:50 in the morning. I have to go to bed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts, and be sure to shop my website.